my winners, and today we bring you this 2020 Audi RS5. Beautiful machine, guys. The detail on this is amazing, guys. You guys did a great job. It is a $100,000 sedan, guys. Nonetheless, you gotta pay for this beautiful thing. Check it out before we tint it out. All right, all my winners, we're in this brand new RS5, guys. Nothing short of spectacular, guys. The perforated leather on the steering wheel is very quality, guys. Not only is it on the steering wheel, but you guys have it on the gear shifter too. Perforated leather. This is like next level stuff here, guys. I've never seen it. I'm really digging that it matches the steering wheel, and the true carbon fiber trim on this is amazing, guys. Look at this dash, the cluster, guys. On one side you have GPS, on the other you have power and torque, guys. In the center you got your miles per hour and your RPMs, guys. The seats on this bad boy are crazy. The honeycomb stitching is great, guys. The leather on it is very soft. Great leather, guys. The stitching, premium stitching as usual. Wouldn't expect anything less. Very nice bucket seat, guys. Comfortable. The infotainment system, everything's easy to touch, guys. Pretty simple. Looks very simple to navigate. Man, if I had to score this like Doug, man, I'd probably give this interior an 8. Check it out while we tint it out. All right, all my winners, we just finished tinting this 2020 Audi RS5, guys. The thing came out stellar. I got 20% all around. Check it out while we take it out. Yeah.